Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Rise to Listen on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and then now click shut settings. Now here you will find it, Rise to Listen. Just click on it like this and it will be turned off. That's it for today. That's how to turn off Rise to Listen, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.